In this video, we'll practice speaking English the way it's used in real life. How? We'll use the listen and repeat method. So you listen carefully and then repeat out loud right after me. It sounds simple, but that's why it works. Speaking out loud is the most effective way to improve your pronunciation, boost your fluency, and build your confidence. So today is all about practicing sentences and phrases for everyday conversations. And we'll use 3 different settings: a restaurant, a hotel, and a clothing store. Let's get right into it. Let's start with arriving and getting a table at a restaurant. Repeat after me. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Great work repeating after me. Now, before we move on, I just want to let you know that the best app for English learners called Airlearn is linked for you down in the description. But I'll tell you even more about it at the end of this video. Now you're seated and ready to order. Let's practice checking the menu. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Now for placing your order, I'll have the Caesar salad, please. I'll have the Caesar salad, please. I'll have the Caesar salad, please. But can I have it without onions? But can I have it without onions? But can I have it without onions? Does this contain peanuts? Does this contain peanuts? Does this contain peanuts? All right, great job. You might have noticed the rhythm of my voice while I'm speaking. It's important that you try to repeat exactly the way I'm saying. Only then will you get to know how a native speaker sounds. Now you've finished eating and it's time to ask the waiter for the bill. So you say, "Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please?" You can also ask the waiter, "Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill?" Now, this may be more of an American thing, but splitting the bill just means that you want 2 separate checks so that you each pay for half or pay for whatever you ordered. That's it for the restaurant scenarios. Now let's move on to our next scenario. Imagine you just arrived at your hotel and you're checking in at the front desk. The first thing you usually say is, "I have a reservation under the name." Then you say your name. I have a reservation under the name. I have a reservation under the name. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Could I get an extra room key? Could I get an extra room key? Could I get an extra room key? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? All right, that's it for our hotel scenario. Now let's move on to our final destination, my personal favorite, shopping. Let's practice. Usually when you enter a store, a worker will ask you, "Can I help you find anything?" Now the most common response, if you don't need help, is saying, "I'm just looking, thank you." I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. If you do need help, you might want to ask for a different size. You can say, "Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Where are the fitting rooms? Where are the fitting rooms? Where are the fitting rooms? Is this item on sale? Is this item on sale? Is this item on sale? Where can I find the restroom? Where can I find the restroom? Where can I find the restroom? All right, look at what you just did. In a few minutes, you actively spoke 20 practical, real-world English phrases. Did you manage to keep up with my native pace and repeat every phrase out loud? Let me know how it was for you in the comments below. If you want to continue this momentum and accelerate your speaking confidence in real conversations, then definitely click the link in the description to get the Airlearn app. Learners across the world are loving it, so take their word for it, not just mine. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye.